What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brittany. I am Brittany W on all social media, and today's video is all about this look right here. Yes, I say it's like quarantine date night look or just an evening look. Hey, even if you're not in a good mood and makeup helps you pick up your spirit like it does for me, go ahead, sit down, watch this video, and recreate this look. And don't forget to tag me in it. Okay? But before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when I post more videos like this. So let's go ahead and jump right on in.
Okay, so one of the first things that I like to do when doing my eyebrows, I like to take the spoolie and brush the eyebrows in an upward motion, bringing all the hair upwards to my forehead. And what that does, it just makes it really easy for me to shade the eyebrows in using a pencil, which we are about to do right now. I have no idea what I'm talking about. I feel like I was on, you know what? Actually, I was actually on an app called Bigo. So if you guys are not on that app, which is called Bigo, I strongly suggest that you guys get on it. It's an app where you can talk to many people all around the world. And guess what? You get paid to talk to many people around the world. So it's great. Okay, moving back into the tutorial. Yes, so what I did was I'm taking a pencil and I am just shading in my eyebrows right here. First, I'm shaping the line under the eyebrow. Since we've been quarantined, I have not been able to get my eyebrows done, even though I tend to do them on my own, which isn't really an excuse. But anyway, we are just going to shade the top and the bottom, and I got it, the arch, to where I like it. Come on, Archie. I think someone made a comment and I was just laughing. I was killing two birds with one stone when making this video. Okay, so what we're doing now is I am just recoloring the bottom. I tend to like the bottom of my line, the shaping of my line when I do my arch to be a little darker than the top because I like them to be a little pronounced more than others. And as you can see, I don't put any hair in the front. I literally just take the brush from the color that's on the bottom and go in an upward motion. Because I don't like when you notice, if you notice on some people, the beginning of their eyebrows are a little harsh. I kind of like that gradual effect or that ombre effect more so, personally on myself. But to each his own, different strokes for different folks. Okay, moving on to the next, what we're doing is I am taking my Juvia's Place concealer and I am just shaping it out. As I stated before, I haven't done my eyebrows in a really long time. So what I'm doing now is just taking the concealer and shaping them, making sure that no hairs are showing, covering up the small hairs with makeup. I am then going to take the same concealer and rub it all on my eye and make it a base for my eyeshadow when I do my eyeshadow. So that's what we are doing. We are just coloring, shading. You actually on the top layer want to blend that out your forehead. That's what you just saw me do. And I'm skipping a whole bunch of steps, but different makeup tricks for different people. I went ahead and did my bottom eyeliner. Now I'm going in with a brownish color, my trans color, and putting it in my crease, which is like a brownish, purplish, kind of grayish color, I think, for the most part. Listen, this was supposed to be a nighttime bridal look that turned into an evening look because it was a bit dramatic. Now I am cutting my crease because, yes, girl, who doesn't like a good cut crease? What you do to cut your crease is really simple. You take an angled brush and you just go from one side to the other with a straight line. Try not to break the line and try to make it as perfect as possible, shading in the rest of the eye, and then you do the other side. The good thing with the cut crease is that you cut it as high as you want. There is no right or wrong way of cutting your crease when doing a cut crease, if that makes any sense. Wait, not all the way true. It depends on your eye shape. So what I'm doing here is I am taking this purpley color. It's a little iridescent. I wanted a little glitter. Hey, me dancing a little bit. Um, and I'm just putting that all over the lid and going it out. However, I'm leaving my inner corners blank because I wanted to put a little flat neutral pinky color there and blend that out, which you'll see me do right here. I'm actually using Julia's Place as well for the eyeshadow. And we are just blending the colors together simply because when you're using, it's about 4 or 5 different shadows in my eyes right now. And what we want to do is blend them all the way out. We don't want to see where a color begins and where one color ends. What I did right there, as you can see, is just deepen the crease and gradually made it a little bit more pronounced with shading of another color. Went back in with that nudie peaking color right in the tear duct of the eyes and blended that out. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is our friend. Okay, moving on to face. Now, you guys see me do this a bunch of times. You guys know I like to use a short kabuki brush because guess what? It makes me look airbrush. Yes, girl. Yes, magazine ready. So, dressed in my suit. Someone was sending me beans on Bigo. Remember, guys, that's how I get paid. Hey. Okay, so I'm going in with the concealer under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, on my chin. Remember, concealer brings light to the face, and so especially under the eyes, if you haven't been sleeping or you're a little stressed out with everything that is going on into the world, put a little concealer on, girl. You'll be okay. And this is my, I think it's my medium shade because my light shade, oh no, that's my lighter shade. I went in with Kevin O'Quan. As we all know, Kevin O'Quan is a little dramatic. It's a bit thick. Me dancing around and sending beans to people and talking to people. Hey, 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 too hype. I think I was listening to Nicki Minaj. I think this might have either been Monster or Nicki Minaj and Cassie, The Boys. That's one of my favorite songs. Dance, in a time like this, it's good to laugh and dance and find things that, don't stress you out, especially these times. For me, makeup helps me to calm down and just helps me to be creative. Some people like to do yoga, some people like to read, some people like to play video games, some people like to run. Makeup does that for me. It just calms me down, especially when the things around me are so chaotic. Okay, so what you guys didn't see me do was pattern my face, combing my hair. Come on with the hair flip. Yeah, she cute or whatever. So I am going in with the brush. With the brush. Oh my goodness, what am I talking about? I'm going in with the blush. Yes, I am. And you guys know that I actually like to use more than one type of blush. I like to use about 3 or 4 of them and blend them in. I just went in with the highlight. I didn't go that blingy blingy highlight. I think that blingy blingy highlight is actually phasing out, which is kind of good. But I do like for the center of my nose to be a little blingy blingy, if that makes any sense. Let me know in the comments below if you understand what I'm trying to say. Do you get me? I'll be here. I'll be here, lovers. So what I'm doing here is putting on some more eyeliner, and what I'm actually doing is taking that purple color that I put in my lid. No, taking the deep purple color that I used in my crease, and I'm putting it under my eye to help smoke it out. I'm using a little bit more Kevin O'Quan to help bring all the makeup together. I want it to be a little bit more than what I have on. So for the drama effects, we are just going to go back in and just add a little bit of that thick concealer, which is my lightest concealer that I like to use to help brighten up that area and scope my face a little bit more. And we're just blending it down the center of the nose, under the eyes, the chin, all that good stuff. the same areas. You want to keep hitting those areas until you get it to the place where you want it to go. And it's okay. I did powder my face, and look, I'm still using a little bit of concealer on top. Yes, we are almost finished. When you see me put on lashes, baby, 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 that's how you know we are almost done. And these lashes came from Amazon. These are not as long and dramatic, which I like. They are just right. They are the right type of drama just for your eyes. You can just put in the Amazon search bundle lashes and a whole bunch of lashes come on. Strongly suggest Amazon lashes. They are by far the best, and you get a bang for your buck. And we all like a deal, don't we, darling? Fixing the eyelash. Okay, so I like Artistic Gin. I use this color a lot. It's called an apricot color. It's like a brown. You guys know that I overdraw my lips just a little bit. Not as much as what my sister did. So if you did not watch that video, I strongly suggest that you go back and watch the video of my sister doing my makeup. Yeah. Anywho. So I overdrew my lips just a little bit. And then I went in with a nude lipstick. I believe it's from NYX. And then I use my Fenty Beauty lip balm and chocolate. I felt like the eyes were a little dramatic, so we can go a little nudie on the lips. And I tend to like nude anyway. So what you see me doing now is taking my Benign setting powder. I love Benign. I like Benign. I also like shoot, I forgot the name. Trish McAvoy. I also like their powder too. Just fluffing up the hair a little bit. Oh, giving face. Oh, oh, oh. Hey, hey, hey. She did that. So, you guys, let me see your quarantine date night evening looks. Go ahead and tag me in it. Listen, thank you so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.